southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour. Hill. Source, radar indicated. R. Hazard, 60 miles an hour, wind gusts and quarter size. Radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Phillip, Bluffton, Richmond Hill, Tybee Island, Wilmington Island, Fort Blossom, Monument, Bellinger Hill area, Midtown Savannah, Downtown Savannah, Coffee Bluff, and Interstate 16, Interstate 95 Interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, Savannah International Airport, Montgomery and Dawson City. This warning includes the following interstates. Interstate 16 between mile markers 159 and 168. Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 3 and 9. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 88 and 95, and between mile markers 100 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.
It works. And that's